Children, now we are going to see how we make the letter Z craft. We are going to make zigzag zebra. And how do we do that? We are going to use a cutout of letter Z. We need a black sheet to make the stripes like these. And then I have also cut out mouth for the zebra with black sheet and eyes. 2 eyes. So let's start with the craft. First we are going to give it the mouth and the face, and for the remaining portion we are going to use these stripes. We are going to fold them in zigzag and then we are going to paste. So we use the Fevicol and we paste it. We give it to the. So here we are going to paste some glue, only little bit glue. Always remember children, very little glue is to be taken. And we give the mouth to the zebra. Let's give it its mouth. Here you go, zebra. Now we are going to paste some eyes. If you want, you can just paste one circle, or if you want, you can give the zebra 2 eyes. It's up to you. So I am going to give it 1 eye right here and another eye right here. So the eyes are done, the mouth is done, and now we are going to take a strip of paper, black paper, and we are going to fold it. One fold and then turn it around and give it another fold. We are going to keep folding. It will, when you open it, it will look like this, zigzag. So that is what we are looking at here. We are going to fold from one side, then turn it around and then fold again. Make sure that we are folding at the same distance, the way we have already folded. The same distance we have to make all the folds. It should not be big or small, right? And this portion we can remove with the help of scissor. We can remove this portion, and when we open it, it is a zigzag. Wow! Now on these corners we can put Fevicol, and then we are going to fix this. If you want, you can directly put the Fevicol on the zebra also, like this, zigzag, right? We can paste the Fevicol like this also, and then we can just put our strip of paper over the Fevicol, and we have to hold it. We have to hold it for a minute for it to get stuck properly. We have to hold it. Alright, we're going to hold it for a minute there. Alright, so we have the letter Z craft ready. Hello zigzag zebra. Let's have some fun.